In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "Your payment couldn't be sent" error on Cash App. If you've ever tried to send money and saw this message pop up, don't worry, it's a fairly common issue, and most of the time it can be fixed quickly with just a few simple steps. Now, this problem can happen for a few different reasons. In many cases, the issue isn't with you, it's actually on the recipient's side. So if you're trying to send money to someone and it keeps failing, you can share this video with them because the fix usually needs to be done from their account. Here's what the recipient should do. First, open the Cash App on their phone. Once it's open, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down and look for the option called Privacy and Security. Inside that section, there are a few settings that control how other people can interact with the account. The first one to check is called Incoming Requests, or sometimes Allow Others to Request Money from Me. If this option is turned off, other users might not be able to send money successfully, even if everything else looks fine. So make sure this setting is turned on. The next setting to check is Allow Others to Find Me. This allows people to locate your Cash App account using your cash tag, phone number, or email. If this is turned off, the app might not recognize your account when someone tries to send you money, so make sure this is also enabled. Once both of these settings are turned on, try sending or receiving the payment again. In many cases, the transaction will go through without any problem after this. But if these settings are already correct and the error still appears, there could be something else going on, like a temporary restriction on the account, a verification issue, or even a small glitch in the app itself. In that case, the best solution is to contact Cash App support. To do that, open the app, go to the Profile section, scroll down, and tap on Support. From there, choose the option to start a chat with a support agent. When you contact them, explain the issue clearly, mention that you're getting the "Your payment couldn't be sent" message, and list any steps you've already tried. This will help the support team find the exact cause and get your account working again. And that's it! After following these steps, your Cash App payments should go through smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.